When the night has come and the darkness falls and the moon is the only light we'll see. My friends, I've been enjoying sharing some key concepts on cultural diversity. And I want to extend this to you, my friends. We can all practice cultural diversity and cultural joy. And the key thing we just have to do is remember to keep an open mind and an open heart. And we will know that we're making an impact in cultural diversity in which we're willing to take a step towards connecting with individuals who may appear to be a little bit different or doing things a different way, and then meet in this circle of life and be open to see that there's different perspectives in life, different ways of viewing, but all of them are beautiful ways of being. So let us open our mind, open our hearts, take a step, and connect. Thank you, my friends. Good journey.